Yeah, so first of all, you need to be sure that you're very open minded about all your prospects. You need to be added to the different WhatsApp groups that College Bond creates. Apart from that, there are a few resources available online, like Facebook. You have the Rixa page on Facebook, so many people post the housing related openings, and people who are looking for roommates, they also post their profiles on Rixa. That's one of the biggest resource which the Indian students use. Apart from that, there's another Rutgers Housing and Leasing sublet group on Facebook. Over there, you'll not only find Indians, you'll find people across the. There'll be a diverse set of people on that particular group. So that's another. Apart from that, you need to keep interacting with a lot of people. While interacting, you need to make sure that you tell them what your preferences are, and you need to be sure what are your preferences while you're searching for roommates. When you go to supermarkets like Superfresh, you have Bravos, you'll get ready to eat food that you just need to heat up in the microwave and eat. So initially we all resort to that, and gradually, slowly and gradually, as we start living with our friends and we start figuring out our schedules, then we can cook on the weekends like Saturdays and Sundays and keep food ready for the entire week. The orientation is fun and it is really, really informative. So you have two orientations. One is the college orientation and one is the departmental orientation. So in the college orientation, you will get to know how to apply for on-campus jobs, how to stay legally in the United States, what are the things you need to do after you land. So the college orientation is very important. You also get to know about the different clubs that are there, about the different societies that are there. It's over a week, and during that period you also have your departmental seminars and your orientations. So that is taken by Dr. Zoran Gaik, and you need to attend that because he tells you about all the various kinds of majors that you can take and what are the set of courses that you might want to take, but he always encourages you to take your own distinctive set of courses, making it your own master's degree. So if your orientation starts from the 27th of August or the 24th of August, you need to be there about a week before that so that you can acclimatize yourself. You can adjust to the sleep timings and the waking up. So that's the jet lag. Yeah, so overall, we have around 100 to 150 students, and out of that, around 40% are Indians, 40% are Asians, and 20% are the rest. You have ample of time apart from the classes and your studies. So you have free gym, you have free table tennis, squash, basketball, swimming. You can do a lot of activities apart from these. I only restricted myself to table tennis and gymming and swimming, but there are people who have gone ahead and joined social activities and clubs for a social cause. They have joined clubs like Random Acts. So you can do a lot of things.